want to be featured on Kenchi School?
Kenchi School.
Hello lovely people, welcome back to Kenchi School. Before I start today's video, I would like to thank you for stopping by. If you do like my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Okay, about today's video. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I am starting my journey as a design team member with Mudrastamps, and my design team kit just came in yesterday. I am super duper excited to share its contents with you. If you are interested to purchase any of the products you see, please check out the description box on my YouTube video. The products will be listed in the order of their appearance. And for all the other fabulous products, just visit www.mudrastamps.in. My kit is loaded with a few old and legendary products, and most of the products from the latest collection that Mudrastamps released a few days ago. The kit contains stamps, dies, chipboard aka chipsets, die ink pads, pattern paper or cardstock, envelopes, embellishments as in sequins, stencils, etc. etc. That's right guys, Christmas came really early for me this year. Also during the video, I will be wearing my gloves and sanitizing the products to be extra careful. And coincidentally, the new Mudrastamps products are closely related to COVID-19 quarantining and isolation. Okay, so here is the huge, and by huge I mean huge parcel that was delivered to me. We'll start with Mudra's dye ink pads, which are called Mai. Mai means ink in Tamil. Isn't that cool? In total, there are 11 shades. Here is a close look. The back packaging mentions more about the behavior of a dye ink. Before I store them, I will spritz them with my spray sanitizer to be safe, which I got from my local medical store. I am going to open one of the ink pads and show you the pad more closely. The next product is one of my most favorite Mudrastamps products, that is the sequins. There are in total 7 sequins packets, and one of them is going to make an appearance later in the video. Each packet is packed with sequins. You can either hang them or use that notch to cut it across and use the ziplock functions to store these sequins. There are 2 packages which have combination of colors, and the rest 5 are plain colored sequins. Next are the acrylic blocks. Now first I'm going to show you just 3 acrylic blocks, and the 4th acrylic block is going to make an appearance later. That is because the 3 acrylic blocks were packaged together and the 4th one was packaged separately. Spritzing some sanitizer again to be very safe. The kit also contains the Mudra masking sheet. This is a new product for me, and this is a boon for stampers. I'll make some tutorials in the future on how to use this masking sheet. Now my second most favorite Mudra product are their envelopes. These envelopes come in a variety of colors, 22 to be very specific. They are a perfect fit for standard A2 size cards. These envelopes are of very high quality. Now why are they my favorite products? That is because these match exactly with the cardstocks available at Mudra. Isn't that wonderful? The card base and the envelopes match. Talking about cardstocks, the kit had 4 packs of assorted colored cardstock. These are heavy 250 GSM cardstock and perfect for card making. And here I'm trying to give you a glimpse of all the variety of colors in which the cardstocks are available at Mudra. The last first paper product in the kit is the Mudra Berry Hugs 12x12 paper pack. It contains 27 pattern sheets, 2 element sheets and 1 sheet of journal cards as well. Oh, and yeah, here is the late appearance of one of the sequins. This is the Clear Sequins by Mudra. Now looking at the chipsets. Chipsets are basically chipboard embellishments which are of super high quality. You will see a variety of designs, florals, geometric designs, sentiments, even a castle design. I hardly use chipboard embellishments on my cards and hence I'm a little apprehensive as well as excited to implement these in my cards. A few of the chipsets have 2 elements in them, like this ornate square frame. These have 2 frames, so I can make 2 cards using this, so yay! This particular chipset is from the latest Mudrastamps collection and they talk so much about COVID-19, quarantine, coronavirus, etc. And they are super witty, funny, snarky and sarcastic, just like my poor sense of humor. Oh, I left out this hexagonal frame chipset in the box. Another late appearance, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I promise this is the last late appearance of this video. This is a super cute Chintu Mintu acrylic block. My kit also included the 6x6 plaid pattern Mudra stencils and I'm looking forward to using this stencil to make my very own gingham backgrounds for my cards. Again, super high quality stencil and the products are packaged so very well. Next is a word die for the word sparkle. I really love the font with which this word is written and it is a coordinating die for the sparkle stamp set which you'll see further. Now let's dig into what you all have been waiting for, the stamps. This is the Mudra Doodled Elements 6x4 stamp set. The packaging on these stamp sets are amazing. You don't need anything else to store them into. This is so robust and I've never seen such amazing packaging on stamp sets. The next is the Mudra Sparkle 4x4 stamp set, Mudra Dream Sentiment 4x4 stamp set, Mudra Purely Sentiment Labeled 4x4 stamp set, Mudra Balloons 6x4 stamp set, Mudra Princess 6x4 stamp set, Mudra Fairy Tale Wishes 6x4 stamp set, and last from the older collection, Mudra Little Monkeys 6x4 stamp set. Now after this, I'm going to show you the stamps from the newer collection. This is the Mudra Corona Times 4x4 stamp set. I will also give you a closer look for the design. They are super intricate, detailed and very well thought designs. This is the Mudra Indian Old Script stamp set. This is a smaller stamp set which is of 3x2 inches and look at that intricate script. This is the Pandemic Get Over 3x2 stamp set. This is so relatable to us right now. Next is the Mudra Stay Home 3x2 stamp set and this is my extra favorite stamp set because I love the font of the stamp. This is the Mudra Quarantine Birthday 3x2 stamp set. So many birthdays going on in this pandemic situation. These stamps are perfect for making quick bookmarks for anybody's birthday. And the last product for today is this uber cute stamp set which is the Mudra Cute Critter Cat stamp set. This is of the size 6x4 and just look at these cuties. I mean, I'm not a cat person, I'm a dog person, but just look at these cuties. And finally, we are at the end of the unboxing video. If you would like to check out more products by Mudrastamps, don't forget to visit www.mudrastamps.in. Oh yes, and stay tuned for some interesting projects and videos using these supplies. Hope you enjoyed today's video and thank you for supporting Kenchi School. Stay home, stay sanitized and stay safe.